Hi everyone, this is my trip to Texas. So to begin for day one, I started off at the very beginning where I am home in West Covina, and then I go to LAX, and then I take my flights all the way to Dallas Fort Worth airport. Let's see, here we are. There I am, and then we are going to my aunt's house, which she lives in Frisco, Texas. So to get the festivities started, for day one, I went to, my aunt just I've been there for maybe like 3 times already, so I'm still exploring, and my aunt is still showing me around the areas. So we went to, so this isn't exactly where the Cowboys stadium is, but this is where they practice, and it's also the Star of Frisco. And you can also like walk around right here. You could walk around in this area, and it's just so lit up and just very nice. It's beautiful at night. So I just wanted to show where I went for the first day. And then I'm gonna change this. After we went there, we went to Pluckers, which it's a Texas thing. I love wings, and I heard Pluckers was very popular in Texas. So I went there, and it was so good. It was delicious. From there, I went to, I believe I just went back to my aunt's house in Frisco because it was day one and had a long flight. It's about a 3-hour flight, which isn't too bad. But so day one was kind of more chill and relaxing. And then day two, I went to the Dallas Arboretum, and it's beautiful. It's pretty much like a nature preserve, and that's their picture that I chose to put on here. And then this is one of my pictures that I took. That's me and my cousin. Me, and they had like a little pumpkin display, and it was so cute for the October festivities. And these are their pictures. So my picture stops right there. So we did that, and then we went to Almond-Good, and Almond-Good is a fine dining restaurant that my cousin works at. So we got to eat there, and we ate so much good food. So that's Google's picture. That's my picture, and these are mussels, and they were so good. This was my first time trying mussels, and I would love to eat them again. This was some pasta, but it was like an organic gluten pasta. It was kind of funky, but it was good at the same time. That's what it looks like inside, and then the rest of the pictures, those are Google's pictures. But I just wanted to add a little bit of my pictures to show that I was there. And then after that, so that's Almond-Good. After that, me and my family went to this arcade. Well, me and my cousins, we went to this arcade in Dallas, and it's a cider arcade. And it's really cool because they sell cider beer, and then you only pay like $10, and you get to play all of these games. These are none of my pictures, just Google's, but it's so cool. And I thought that was really nice. It brought the kid out of me. And then we went to, my cousin lives in Dallas, so I slept there at his house. And that was it for day 2. It was a really good day, actually. And then day 3, went to the Dallas Farmers Market, which they had a lot of cool stuff. These are their pictures as well, but it's really just like cute, and you just get to walk around. It kind of reminds me of the Grand Central Market that we have here in LA. Let's see, and then we went, I'm still trying to get the hang of this little mouse, so bear with me. But these are all the points where I went, places I went. And then from there was a brewery not so far away, so we went there. And it's just a brewery in Dallas, Deep Elm Brewery. And then from the brewery we went to the University of Dallas, Texas, which my cousin goes there. So he got to show us around a bit and get an insight of what it looks like. These are all Google's pictures, but it does look exactly like this. It's beautiful. So that was nice that I got to see that, the university. And then I just went from there. I went to Frisco, where my aunt lives, which I was staying at for the whole trip. And day 4, we went to another nature's preserve, and it was beautiful. It's just so peaceful. So we went there. So I went from Frisco, which was my aunt's house, and then we went to the nature preserve, and that's Google's. This is my picture. It literally looks the same. It's so pretty. Same as the Google pictures. That's mine, and it's just so peaceful. That's not my picture. And then we ate some really good barbecue called Hutchins Barbecue. So good. I ate a lot on this trip just because they have really good food out there. But my favorite was the Pluckers because I love the wings. And then went to Andy's Custard, and it was really good. It's so cute because this is a little like drive-through, and then you just get your little ice cream, and it's kind of reminds me of Dairy Queen. It's really good. Other than that, that was it. I was there for 4 days, so I enjoyed my time with my family, and I got to explore a little bit with them. Overall, it was a very good trip. All these points are just places of what I connected to where I had went for my trip. And then you can see that I am from California to Texas. Thank you so much for watching.